Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be talking about my Webull portfolio, which is something we usually discuss after the market closes at around 5 p.m. But today we're doing it while the market is still open, so bear with me as I go ahead and start screen recording here. And I hope that everyone's having a wonderful day and enjoys the video. With that said, let's go ahead and get started, and make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe so that you can be a part of the journey with me. And let's go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, I'm getting ready to put in my fingerprint, and as you can see, it has been a slow week for us as far as progress, but that's okay. That's something that's natural in the market. It's usually slow and steady anyways. So let's go ahead and see what happened throughout the week. As you can see, on Monday, we were at $16,022.88. On Tuesday, we got to $16,207.56. On Wednesday, we were at $16,320.21. On Thursday, we're at $16,285.19. And today we are at a market value of $16,312.38, plus the $17.84 in buying power that we have. As you can see, we still have a risk level of safe, and we're just doing absolutely phenomenal. We still have 54 positions, but we are currently waiting on a couple free stocks that we received to come through, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that if I can get to it. My free stocks, over the week of helping people, we were able to acquire about 6 free stocks that we're still waiting to settle. So as you can see, we have 2 shares of Ford there, SWN, GE, another share of Ford, and AGI, which we're waiting on. Also, if you want to go ahead and be a part of our Webull portfolio and you want to help support the channel, you can go ahead and do that. It's currently offering about 2 free stocks per referral that you use through the link, and I'll have the link in the description for you. And you have a chance to get some Facebook shares. Webull actually has a promotion where they're giving away 4,000 shares of Facebook, as you can see right here from the screen share. But let's go ahead and get right into the portfolio. So as you can see, Airbnb is starting to make some progress. We are up $32.13 on that position, which is about a 21.5% return. Rocket Companies is trying to get back to where it was, and we might go ahead in a couple weeks and make a bigger acquire more shares to fill our position a little bit more. Same thing with Coca-Cola. I'm thinking about going ahead and grabbing some more while it's down about $4.51. We also have AbbVie, which is up $24.61 for a 28.5% return, which is really awesome. We're actually going to go ahead and jump around a little bit so we can kind of highlight all the big returns. As you can see down here, V&Q is still at a $10 loss, giving us an opportunity to go ahead and buy if we want to at a lower cost and dollar cost average. We also have GE, which we have 100 shares of that. And once we apply for options trading, we can go ahead and do covered calls on this position. As you can see, it's up to $11.22 a share, which is about $132.59 returned, which is a 13.5% return as well. Now we're looking for GE to get up to about $13.50 a share before we go ahead and make any decisions on whether we're going to keep the company or decide to sell off some shares. We also have Ford Motors, which is doing phenomenal. We have 12 shares here at an average cost of $11.48, which means we've gained $54.40 for a 67% return. Bank of Nova Scotia continues to be steady. We have gained $178.76 since we've had the company. This company also gives a really great dividend of about $2.18 per share. So we're really happy with the position we have here, and we'd love to go ahead and buy more. It's basically gotten back to its regular price, so we would just have to buy it at its average price going forward. WWE has really taken off again, getting to $54.97 for a $10.85 return, which is about 24.5% return on that position. We also have Southwest, which we have 15 shares of, which is still down $7 a share. So there's a great opportunity to go ahead and buy in this company. It's gained us $93.48 in the time that we've had it, though, which is about a 15% return. Snapchat continues to stay steady at that $53-$55 mark, which is up $225.80 for a 539% return. It's actually one of the best companies that I've ever had in this portfolio as far as percentage performance. As you can see, it's up 500%, which none of these other positions are up, which is absolutely insane since it was a free stock. I just love talking about them. I also believe in Viacom CBS, which is another free stock referral that I got, and it's up $65.62 for a 257% return. We also have JetBlue Airways, which is up 50.5% with $10.24 returned. Halliburton has really come into its own groove, getting back to $19.25 a share, which is a $17.34 return, which is about 82% on that position. Tanger Factory, we should have went ahead and bought more shares because it's doing phenomenal. We have 119.5% return for $7.31 for the one share that we have owned. We also are doing very well in DraftKings, which continues to be steady at that $52 mark. But again, I really believe that this company will get to $100 per share, especially with how the sports betting world is these days. I just see this climbing and climbing. So we'll look for that continued success with DraftKings as we go along. We have Kimberly-Clark, which is still at a discount, now down $8.01, which is a 5.68% loss. So it's a great time to buy into that position. We also have Lam Research, which is really coming to its own. Wishing that we had went ahead and bought another share of this, but we're up $292.52 for a 108% return. Amgen is starting to gain some money, getting us $28.88 for almost 13% return. Goldman Sachs is doing phenomenal, up $85.69 for a 42% return. Berkshire Hathaway is up $47.04 for a 25% return. One Oak, which is a company I've talked about a lot, is up $42.84 a share, which is a $52.60 return, which is about 32.5%. Now, this company is still supposed to get to that $70 mark, so we'll be looking for that to happen in the near future. But while it's down, we might go ahead and buy 5 more shares of that company. Aflac is a company I'm really fond of, and it has gained $18.96 for a almost 26% return. Helmerich is gained $4.40 for a 20% or 21% return. Tesla was pretty steady this week, bouncing around between $8.40 and $8.80 as far as the share price. Now, you say, wow, that's a big difference, Mike, but this is a super volatile stock, so the fact that it only bounced between that $40 range is actually pretty normal for Tesla. But as you can see, we're up $3,742.43, which is a 280% return. Now, I show you that because I don't want you to think that my whole return is from having Tesla. As you can see, we're up $6,072.64 for a 59.19% return, which is absolutely phenomenal. I will say that about 60% of my success in this portfolio is from Tesla, but I'm glad that it's not solely relying on Tesla as a whole, and I'm really glad that I was able to gain another $2,300 from other stocks in this portfolio, which was actually a difficult thing to do because I didn't model this after my Fidelity account, which has about $30,000 in it. And so I wanted to go ahead and choose different stocks in this portfolio and really challenge myself to see if I could have success again. And I'm actually outperforming this percentage-wise than when I compare it to my Fidelity account. So it's really great that it's doing well, and I'm glad to see the progress. If you'd like to go ahead and get started with the portfolio like this, you can go ahead and use the link down below, which will offer you 2 free stocks at sign up with a deposit of $100. And you want to go ahead and do that immediately so that it's not lagging and you get your free stocks. But with that said, we also have M1 Finance, which is a great platform as well, and another free brokerage you can sign up for, and also sign up for an IRA or a joint account, a trust account in M1 Finance. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end the screen recording right there. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you never want to miss out on anything that I post on this channel. With that said, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless.